I hope I'm saying this and y'all can agree because I know y'all pits be stinking. Personally, I got a whiff of mustard emitting from my armpits, and not that it wasn't pleasant, I just don't want to smell it that occasionally anymore, you know? So today I'll be teaching y'all how to get rid of smelly armpits. When we sweat, the liquid mixes with the bacteria on the skin, and when this dries, it causes the pits to stink. We all sweat, and yes, it's normal. If we didn't, we would be passed out overheating, so we passed up for the offer to not overheat and opted to sweat and become smelly. So go crazy, eccrine and apocrine glands, 2 to 4 million to be precise, make us stinky. How deceiving they are though. Eccrine glands being clear and odorless until it dries on skin, such a gaslighter. And apocrine glands a thick biatch, then when mixed with our skin's bacteria, welcome the stink. I know we are on the garlic girl wave, but it makes us rank too. And onions. And liquor. I know, can a biatch live? So whenever you don't want to stink, let's avoid these prior to being sniffed in all of our crevices. How can we redeem ourselves? I'ma put you on. Here goes. Don't you dare miss a shower. If you do or did, I'm judging. For your own good, clean up your cheese, baby. Fresh fits daily, especially after hot girl workouts. We're not about to rewear our secretion. Personally, I'm a ball pit kind of babe. Back to back, like Drake said, Tress Wellness is sponsoring this portion of today's video. Thanks to them, Queen Lexine can wax her month of pit hair in their super adorable new waxing kit. Super aesthetic from my soft girl era. I'm ready to rip and tear to hairless magnificence. It also comes in these gradient pastels, mountain elements, and over 18 more designs and colors waiting for you to find your perfect match in their own aesthetic wonder. The secret to scent elimination? This right here, baddies. Glycolic acid, an alpha hydroxy acid derived from sugarcane. Heard of the trend glycolic acid as deodorant? Well, I guinea pigged myself and it really works. I am literally amazed and haven't looked back. This will not reduce sweating, let's get it straight, but it works as a chemical exfoliant to slow away dead skin cells, brighten complexion, reduce areas of discoloration, and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It'll help prevent the sweaty pit stench because it sheds dead skin cells and lowers the skin pH so that the bacteria that causes body odor can't survive, leaving your pits scent-free. After showering, apply on clean pits for optimal effectiveness with a biodegradable pad to minimize the impact on skin, reducing potential irritation. Day to day, I suds my pitties up with deodorant. I've been loving this one in my favorite drink flavor and scent form. Since I can't take a sip of it all the time, I can get a sniff of it, which is good enough for me. Or the spray one, I really wanted to minus the additives like the other popular ones. Popular ain't always perfect. These are natural and don't clog your pores like many and all antiperspirants that are aluminum based, which equals supposed absorption in the estrogen receptors in our breast cells. Proven or not, it's a risk I'm not willing to take. So sweat on, fragrantly beautiful. Check out my armpit routine video to further discover on how to achieve your perfect pit. Until then, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and as always, love Lexine.